So, my new car, BMW 325 TDS. I know it's old. It spends a bit of fuel. But it's fucking awesome and I love it. It's actually quite fast as well for the car it is. So, let's talk about it while driving. It was warm, so no glow plugs, because it is diesel. I know, it's a bit loud. I mean, but don't you just love that noise? I know I do. So I bought it. It was cheap. It has a few niggles here and there. It's missing this. This is new because the old one was shit. Pedals are metal, so I painted them black. It has a few mechanical problems. It already took 4 tires. It probably needs 4 shock absorbers, but nah, it's not too bad. Listen to that. Yeah, it spends a bit of fuel. I mean, I know it's diesel and it's cheaper, but it spends about, I don't know, 7 liters per 100 kilometers. So yeah, I mean, it's not that much, but I'm not used to having that much. But I love it. I really do like this car. It's comfortable, it has cruise control, air conditioning. It's a bit noisy on the cobbles, but the camera makes it worse. I promise it's not that loud in here. And I have the windows open. Oh yes, it has a sunroof. It does have a sunroof, which you need. Like I was saying before I met that man which I needed to talk to. Listen to this! Look. It's quiet. I like it. It spends a lot. I mean, the thing moved down and I didn't drive it that much. But yeah, I like it. Yeah, it kinda rattles a bit, but it's not that much. I promise the camera makes it worse. But I really do like my car. It's a nice car. It's a comfortable, fast car. Just a bit expensive to run. And it kinda has a few niggles here and there. We'll see how she deals with life, I guess. So, Roadblazer out on his first vlog on the car. Yeah, see you in the next one.